Well, good evening, you no good, worthless fucking heathens. Ordinarily, I would be watching the football game tonight. Might have even rode down to the casino and placed a bet on it. But guess what? They got this fucking dog killer, this scumbag Michael Vick, playing for the Pittsburgh Steelers. I guess Big Ben got hurt, so they put this scumbag that would break a dog's goddamn back for losing a fucking fight, or shoot the dog in the fucking head for losing a fucking fight. There was proof of this motherfucking shit happening. And they got this bitch on a big stage tonight, and you got these fucking idiot Pittsburgh Steelers fans out there cheering this fucking dog killer on. They should go shoot their goddamn self in the head. Go have somebody break their goddamn back and see how it fucking feels. Why the fuck would shit like this be happening? Ruining people's like me, ruining my goddamn night, 'cause I can't watch the football game because this piece of fucking shit is the quarterback. This motherfucker that would harm an innocent goddamn animal for no other goddamn reason except losing a fight that this bitch put the animal in the fucking position to lose and then break its goddamn back. What the fuck's wrong with fucking America? Why the fuck would you have a scumbag like Michael Vick playing on your football team? Why would any goddamn body in their right mind go and buy a goddamn ticket to cheer this fucking dog killer on? That's why there's a bunch of no good, worthless motherfuckers in this goddamn country. Because if it would save my goddamn life to watch this scumbag that breaks dogs' backs, and then when he walks out of prison for it, the first goddamn thing he says is, "I found Jesus when I dropped my Bible in the shower and he fucked the Holy Ghost into me." I would die before I would endorse or support this scumbag in any kind of goddamn way. But I guarantee you go to that football stadium and 99% of those motherfuckers will claim that they're Christians and God forgave him for mistreating these poor goddamn animals, so I'm gonna forgive him too. Well, fuck you in the ass, you stupid motherfuckers. Promote and support this evil motherfucker. Just think of what this bitch might do to a human being if he would do this to a fucking defenseless goddamn animal who never done no goddamn harm to nobody, just doing what in the fuck scumbags like Michael Vick had them doing. And then when they lose, break their goddamn backs. What a punishment. That's just the fucking perfect goddamn punishment for these poor fucking animals, right? And the Pittsburgh Steelers fans and every goddamn one of you that's sitting in them motherfucking stands should be ashamed of your goddamn selves. Go home and shoot your goddamn self. Jump off a goddamn building and try and break your back. And see how the fuck it feels, you fucking idiots. Scumbags. Take care of yourself and take care of each other.